Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2018 Ram 1500. This is a crew cab. It's white in color. As you can see, this has the black package. You see the black in the grille. It also has the black 20-inch wheels and tires. This has four-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. And yes, it is a Hemi. This one is seating for 6. This one only has 10,476 miles on it. It's got automatic headlight on and off system. It's got Bluetooth for your cell phone. It is a crew cab. It's also got the stowage compartments in the floor, as you can see. It's a 6-passenger. It's a one-owner car. Has a clean Carfax. This is a gorgeous truck, 5'7" bed. It's also got a backup camera. It's also got a trailer hitch, 4 and 7 prong connector, and the almighty dual exhaust. Folks, you're not going to find a cleaner looking truck than this one. You got to call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You're only going to find this truck at Firkins